Miguel, walk this tree and get to that other end.
Move, we gotta keep pushing forward.
On you would.
Take that car.
Got damage to our 12?
Strobe up my 12.
Multiple down vehicles.
We'll move to the right.
Follow Frosty.
Contact down!
Door one! Left side of door!
He's down, down.
Moving on you, Miguel!
Eyes up!
Frosty on your 6.
Tango 1 down, that's Frosty. Start your move.
Alright, let's push this wall. We're going to short time. We need to push. Get into the hall.
You got that?
School bus. Got school bus down. What we got? Hey, get up inside.
I got a body up here.
Body. Here. Hold on. I got your other one.
I got movement up front.
Contact, contact!
Right there. Here we go. What's our body going? You know why?
Frosty, you see that contact line? Good. Contact up front. Let's get some guys set up front.
Matt, talk to me.
Hold on, we got 170 feet in the bus. Hold. 170.
Holding.
170 feet in the bus. Need light.
We got one in this car we're going to take care of.
You have what?
Body's up front.
We need two on the front of the bus. We got one injury in the bus.
2 medicals.
Big body's up front.
Medic up front. Matt, you holding?
I'm here.
No, stay forward, stay forward.
What's going on with our casualty? How's he doing?
Jack, give me some light.
He alive? Start talking to him.
Yeah, he's breathing. Hey, what's up, man? Can you hear me? What's your name? I got shears. I'm gonna cut them open.
You got shears?
Got shears.
Okay. We've got a bleed.
Got a wound right here.
One active wound. All right, get a bandage on it.
Roger that. What we got?
Not sure.
You have pulse?
He breathing?
Yeah, he's breathing. Got
All
low
right.
pulse.
He talking to you at all?
Negative. No, it's not non-responsive.
Non-responsive. He's got a pulse. We've got a chest wound. Let's get some pressure on that.
Applying pressure.
Apply pressure. Get the bandage around him. If you need help, use your
I
partner.
need to roll him over, Jet. Roll to you.
Well, slide him forward. Hold his arm.
Yep. Hold it. You want me to hold his arm?
Yep.
Got it. We're taking fire, dude. All right, got him. Watching the head. We need to get him in a...
Keep him at bay.
Stand by with the patient. I'm gonna go grab shears and you're just ripping it.
Rip it. Strangler's good.
Yeah. All right, you're gonna go down to that over there, okay? I'll receive. You're down over there. We got another wound.
Tango's down!
Tourniquet. You gotta go. We need that tourniquet. He's bleeding.
I got one down.
Where's he at?
I got one down, black car.
Where's that at?
I got another one down, silver sedan.
Matt, stand by, throwing grenade.
Hit, medic.
Got you.
Right here.
Time on tourniquet 15:49.
All right, let's go.
Hey, I'm coming to you guys.
Stay low, stay low.
Cover, cover, cover.
You got smoke? Contact!
Contact rear! Come on! Behind the black car with the hood! Grenade, grenade!
Go, throw it, covering.
On the grenade, let's move. Ah!
Blake, you up? Can you... Blake, I need you to pull jet. Ready? Sorry.
George, there's one more. Roberts is down behind that car.
Go.
There's one more guy to the left.
Stand by.
One casualty back here that can be moved.
Got him.
Go. Get over, so I'll cover.
Everybody disarm? Hurry up, get an overshot, clutch back to our wounded.
Get these women out of here. Let's go. Set one man to watch security. Let's move this other guy forward.
Let's go. Get the two guys on him. Two guys on him. One under each arm. Let's get our show on the road here. Go ahead, move. Give me one more.
Get your gun up, get your gun up.
We gotta go back to the guy on the sled.
Go.
Get up there.
Hop on
I
there.
got him.
Go up.
All right. Watch your feet.
Two more.
Watch your head, watch your head.
Give me one more. Out of the way, out of the way. 1, 2, 3, up. In. All right.
So we had a little bit of hiccups. Our bleeder system's hooked up.
I did.
That's why we practice on you guys.
It's fine.
So you guys still how to make it look cool.
You guys see an LM4 mag back there by chance? Or not LM4, yeah.
I know where I dropped it. I know.
Yeah, go
All
with
right,
the
how'd it feel?
Thanks, man. Awesome. Did I nail, was it? Yeah, it was good. Did I nail you in the crotch or somebody else?
There's a little bit of a hiccup. Things got better once you guys sat down for a second. A little bit of a regroup. Started talking. All of a sudden you had your forward element come give you rear security, and then from there the whole group was nice and smooth. So good job on that. As far as medical care went, not bad at all, especially for nobody having much formal training. Well done.
Hey, Miguel, we'll go back in a second.
Yeah.
Thank you. Dragging people sucks, doesn't it?